Hi, I'm Bob Kovacs, and this is my 2014 Mazda 3. Today I will be replacing the air filter in the car. Now this is a typical air filter. This one is sold by Fram, and it's surprisingly expensive, about $25 at Walmart. However, it's not hard to replace. Mazda engineered the car to make it pretty darn easy. I've had cars where it was much tougher to replace the air filter, but this one's pretty easy. So it's underneath this cover right here. Let's take a look at how it goes. To remove the air filter, you need to get at these two clamps, pop them off, pull the filter assembly toward the front of the car a little bit while tipping it up. That releases the tabs on the back of the filter assembly. This is one of the tabs right here. Then with it up like this, all you need to do is get a fingernail under the filter and pull it out. Mazda recommends that you check the air filter every year and replace it every 2 years. This is my original filter from my 2014 Mazda 3, and to me it looked pretty good. I just vacuumed it off and put it back in. So you don't necessarily need a new filter, but you should check it and vacuum it off at least once a year is probably a good idea. To replace the filter, slide it back in. Now you have to make sure that those tabs go back into the slots in the back of the filter assembly, and you might have to wiggle it around a little bit. Once you have it down in place, snap the clamps back in, and you're done. So that's what it takes to change the air filter in a 2014 Mazda 3. Not too hard, was it? Hey everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.